Hello, my name is Canoe Kid, and I've been dropped here in the backcountry of East Tennessee. I must survive through the weekend until a man named Hardy saves me. Join me in my adventures. Let's go. Hello, welcome. I fashioned myself a tent out of wool.
Just like that, David, just like that.
I plan to survive through the night here. Shut up!
Lower your voice.
So, I'm staying here, trying to avoid the camera and bear, and hopefully we can survive the night.
Hey, remember what I said about talking to yourself?
Dave, you gonna keep up that fake British accent the whole time?
Probably not. This morning, woke up at 5, had me some grits, froze my tail off by this river. Now, then I had some bacon, froze my tail off by this here river. Now I'm having a nap. Hey, you. Yeah. Me? Yeah, you. Really, me? Yes, you. Do you ever get tired of crappy internet vlogs? What is that? I thought so. You can go over to the Travis Fi YouTube channel. He has nothing but quality videos of his adventures. Welcome back to Canoe Kid Survives the Backcountry of Tennessee. I found a wild group of backpackers, and I've been hiking with them for several hours. Little did they know that I stole lunch from them, and I shall live, and they shall die. Isn't that right? You don't talk much. So we made it to lunch.
Yeah, there is cell signal present.
We got this really nice view out here. Here's our crew here.
Yo.
I can't wait for steak tonight.
Yeah,
So today was a very successful day. We did, I don't know, like 8 miles, something like that. Still looking for Hardy's. I don't know where he is. But we're thinking he might be around this fire tower somewhere. Oh, we're stopping by to see. We'll find out soon enough. So, we made it down the mountain. I've managed to become the leader. And they're gonna take me to Mr. Hardy's. Mr. Hardy's will take me home.
What? Like it was blows?
We'll see what happens from there.
Me and Ben played some tic-tac-toe earlier.
Goodbye.